it is important that we appreciate that government, just like ordinary citizens, appear before courts as litigants, and they should expect that in an adversarial system such as ours, they could either win or lose. But at all times, government should first receive the best available legal advice, especially before contracting. Some of the cases, some of the other smaller cases that government has actually lost has been, in my view, out of negligence, because many of them are either not adequately defended and some not at all defended, and we find judgments being entered against government on account of either inadequate personnel or inadequate preparation.